Hi everyone. I'm going to review 5 concepts in here. 4 of them are created by a genius from a YouTube channel. Tank 01046. He created many mechanisms. This is one of them. Now, personally, I think this one is not perfect enough. Key reason is the door. When it is moving down, there is the gravity force of the door and also have the spring force. What that means is when it is moving down, there is too much force. It is not a very good design. Now, number 2. This is a mechanism moving the door up and then knock the door by the pin. This one I think is better. Now, however, if this carbon is putting very high, then it's difficult to reach the lock by a person. So there is a little drawback on there. Number 3. Now, almost there. Number 3. Why I'm so nervous about number 3? Because number 3 is my design. My design is coming in 1, 2, and 3 seconds. Yes, this one is from me. Created by Marco from Woodomation.com. Now, the key reason is that this design is extremely simple. You only need to bend a piece of plexiglass. Plexiglass is very inexpensive and you only need to use a wooden rock. Now, how that work? You move the plexiglass up and then slide in, and then the plexiglass will hold by the wooden rock and the structure of the carbon. So this is extremely simple, extremely inexpensive. I use SolidWorks to create the model, and I use SolidWorks 2017. If you have any project, need help, shoot me an email. You will see my email on Woodomation.com. Contact@Woodomation.com or send me a message from Woodomation.com. Go to Woodomation.com website, okay? Now, there are 2 more going for review. We are going to the next one very soon. Now, another design from the same genius. This one is a carbon with roller. Now, there is a slightly disadvantage of this design. The disadvantage is when the door moving up, it takes a lot of inner space. What that means is you could not store too much stuff inside. Now, because when it move up, the moving action actually there is a lot of interference with the inner spray. We are going to see the next one very soon. The last one is a modification of this current design. The next one is coming up in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming. Okay. Alright, this one. Roller carbon mechanism 2. Now, this one is save a lot of spray by cutting the door into 2 pieces with 2 sets of roller. Each set have 2 rollers. Excuse me. Now, you will see that this is going to save the spray, but what that means is it make the mechanism slightly more complex because it make 1 piece of store to be 2 pieces. Actually, it is just the previous one with like multiple with a joint and then make it smoother, make it the bending radius smaller and make the transition smoother. Now, so it is better than the previous one to the number 4, but there is some drawback in here. Again, if you see this video, if you like it, Please press like, share it,